Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is my daughter's wash day.
Hi everyone, this is Royal Armani and I'm actually going to walk you through my wash day. So first my mom wipes down the bowl and the chair to make sure that it is clean before I sit down. Next, she puts on her gloves to protect herself from all the dust bunnies in my hair. So here I am, guys, featuring a literal dust bunny. Now, I really don't know what this is in my hair, but I'm just gonna assume it's some crusty gel. So my mother is now draping me with a towel and a cape. So now my mother is making sure that the temperature of the water is not too hot and not too cold. You always want to make sure that you ask the client, does the temperature feel okay? Then check it again just to make sure it's just right. So a step that I forgot to mention is my mom asked me to take the straps of my mask off so that they do not get wet during the wash. And you definitely want to make sure that you ask your client to remove the straps of their mask if you are applying any chemicals to the hair, because you do not want them to get on the client's skin. For the first wash, my mom grabs about a quarter size of shampoo and spreads that evenly throughout my hair. And she does go back to grab a little bit more shampoo, but it's way better to have to grab more than using too much. When washing hair, my mom told me that it is always good to have a pattern in the way that you wash the hair, just to make sure that you reach every single part of the client's head. During the second wash, you will notice that the shampoo lathers up more than this, and that is due to some of the buildup being washed away. I swear my mom washed my hair for a good hour, but I'm really not complaining because it felt good, so scratch away, honey bunny. So now she's basically making sure that all of the shampoo is rinsed out of my hair before applying it for the second wash. For the second wash, you can use a lesser amount of shampoo because the suds will lather more than they did the first wash because the hair is cleaner. So my mom has blotted my hair dry with a towel before applying the conditioner, and she makes sure that it is evenly dispersed throughout my hair. Now my mother is going to part my hair into 4 sections, detangle it and twist it up, and this just makes sure that the conditioner is spread evenly throughout my hair. I hope you all are enjoying our wash day routine so far. If you are interested, I also have a YouTube channel at Royal Armani, and it will be linked in the description box below. But please make sure you subscribe to both of our channels for more content. During these times, it is also important to remember to sanitize each thing that you use on your client after every single use, whether it is the cape, the towel, the combs, or clips, anything in that matter. For today's wash, we decided to do a deep conditioning, and this is why my mom is putting this cute shower cap on my head. And after I come from underneath the dryer, my mom rinses out my hair with cool water, and this is so the pores are closed and the product is sealed in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!